Alright, peoples. I don't know what this is. Man, I don't know how. Oh, it's just gonna break away. It's almost like a meatloaf. So whatever's in the other pan, I don't know. But it's not what this is. It's not what this is. This may be that meatloaf she was talking about. I think one needs a little bigger piece than that to sustain this body. Yep. So whatever in it, I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it after I take it out of the microwave. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Put that in the microwave. Put a little barbecue on there, Pappy, and Jesus. Can't get the door closed. Alright, what do I want to do here? Oh, I got donut in there. No, she's got a donut in there. I got more drink in here. And I think I'm going to throw some more sour cream on top of this. I think that's what I did. Barbecue sauce and sour cream. Did you get that? Barbecue sauce. And sour cream. I don't need a napkin. Don't know if that's going to be enough. That's why I left that out, but I think that's going to be enough, so I'm going to put this back in. I can always get it out if I want some more. Right? What do you think? I know. Gary, you know everything and you are the best. I will say one thing, these plates get hot. Ooh, what the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing? Where is the cheese? Are you shitting me? I did not put any cheese on that? Oh, you guys gotta hang on. I need 2 hands with this. I need 2 hands for this, so you guys are gonna have to hang on. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Do the thunk, and then you go like this. A little pinch. Pinch for the cook. These plates get hot. Did I mention that? These plates get hot. But pretty much only after they've been in there for about 4 or 5 minutes, I think. Got 12 miles today. Guy at the bar says the other day, he says I did 36. It's okay. Call me when you know how to do 10. And I'll ride with you. Okay, here we go. Hang on to your booties. Come on. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Heart attack. And then we throw on some of this. Oh, baby. Alright, do I have a napkin? I got a napkin. Do I have a fork? I got a fork. Alright, let's go, camera. Grab that as you go by. Grab that water as you go by. I got it. I got it. Don't worry about you. I got you. See that fan right there? Yeah, for now, that'll be right there, right at me. See, it doesn't come out the front, which is right here. It comes out to the side. Yeah, there we go. So now that I've got my dinner, my drink, and my remote, what shall I watch? The time is now 5:24. Let's see what's on these streaming TV. Idiot test. Smiley face. Right there in the... Nope, the wrong one. Yeah, I know you're not. Huh. Oh, that's good. I don't know what I mean, but it's good. Whatever. No metal. TV.